Welcome to Mind Benders. Can you pass this cricket quiz? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Let's go. Who is considered the best fast bowler of all time? Glenn McGrath, Wasim Akram, Dale Steyn? Who holds the record for the highest individual score in Test cricket? Brian Lara, Don Bradman, Virender Sehwag. Who is the highest wicket taker in ODI cricket? Mudia Muralitharan, Shane Warne, Glenn McGrath. Which cricketer has hit the most sixes in international cricket? Chris Gayle, Shahid Afridi, Rohit Sharma. Who was the first cricketer to score 10,000 runs in Test cricket? Sunil Gavaskar, Alan Border, Sachin Tendulkar. Who is the fastest to 10,000 runs in ODI cricket? Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Ricky Ponting. Who has taken the most catches in Test cricket? Rahul Dravid, Mark Waugh, Jacques Kallis. Who won the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2019? New Zealand, England, India. Who has the highest batting average in Test cricket? Don Bradman, Steve Smith, Kumar Sangakkara. Who is the leading wicket taker in T20 international cricket? Lasith Malinga, Rashid Khan, Tim Southee. Who holds the record for the fastest century in ODI cricket? A.B. de Villiers, Corey Anderson, Shahid Afridi. Who was the captain of India's 1983 World Cup winning team? Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev Mohinder, Amarnath. Which cricketer has the most Test match centuries? Sachin Tendulkar, Ricky Ponting, Jacques Kallis. Who is the first bowler to take a hat trick in a World Cup match? Chetan Sharma, Lasith Malinga, Brett Lee. Who was the highest run scorer in the 2019 ICC Cricket World Cup? Rohit Sharma, David Warner, Kane Williamson. Who has scored the most double centuries in Test cricket? Brian Lara, Virender Sehwag, Sachin Tendulkar. Who is the only bowler to take all 10 wickets in a Test innings? Jim Laker, Anil Kumble, Shane Warne. Who is the fastest bowler to 300 wickets in Test cricket? Dennis Lillee, Dale Steyn, Kagiso Rabada. Which team has won the most ICC Cricket World Cups? Australia, India, West Indies. Who holds the record for the most stumpings in ODI cricket? MS Dhoni, Adam Gilchrist, Kumar Sangakkara. Who is the only player to score 4 centuries in a single IPL season? Chris Gayle, Virat Kohli, David Warner. Who was the first cricketer to score 100 international centuries? Ricky Ponting, Sachin Tendulkar, Jacques Kallis. Who holds the record for the highest individual score in ODI cricket? Rohit Sharma, Martin Guptill, Chris Gayle. Who was the fastest to 50 wickets in T20 international cricket? Rashid Khan, Ajantha Mendis, Umar Gul. Who has hit the most centuries in ODI cricket? Virat Kohli, Sachin, Tendulkar, Ricky Ponting. Who was the captain of the Australian team during their 1999 World Cup win? Steve Waugh, Ricky Ponting, Mark Taylor. Which cricketer has bowled the most dot balls in IPL history? Lasith Malinga, Sunil Narine Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Who was the leading wicket-taker in the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2019? Mitchell Starcs, Jofra Archer, Lockie Ferguson. Who was the first cricketer to score a double century in ODIs? Sachin Tendulkar, Virender Sehwag, Rohit Sharma. Who is the first player to score 10,000 runs in T20 cricket? Chris Gayle, Virat Kohli, A.B. de Villiers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quizzes.